Hello, it's Gin from the East World area here in the Touchpond Drill Pond area here in Paradise, Newfoundland. This is the video doing showing our vlog here, and I'm back with another new vlog. Of course, it's always Sunday afternoon when I'm filming this. Yup, so I'm well into my day now, but yeah, but because as you can see, each road is actually currently shown on the side of the road, and that's from the recent snowfall we had on Wednesday and Thursday. But yeah, so we had, what was it, 50 or 60 centimeters of snowfall throughout the eastern and the central Newfoundland. Oh yeah, and here in Paradise we had probably around 50 or so centimeters altogether. But yeah, but at least we actually finally had a week in the snow for the next 2 days, 4 days, 3 days. But yeah, but more so coming tonight or tomorrow morning, but won't be as much as we had done past companies over. Yeah, but of course, yeah, last time we still snow covered though. But yeah, but this is definitely my favorite living here. Apparently, yes, definitely does feel like I'm in the camp country. Oh yeah, here in Newfoundland, but yeah, do love living there though, yes. So yeah, happy Saturday guys. Hope everyone is enjoying the weekend. Yeah, but my last family, of course, yeah. But sure you not on the vlog yesterday, but I had a really busy day delivering and whatnot yesterday. Yep. We delivered all over Sijaskin. Yep. It's always good. You actually did to catch up on my deliveries. We missed for the past couple days. Actually touched on, but on that it was a good day. Yesterday, it started off, it was 8:30, and it ended, it was 2:30 or 2:45 by the time we got back to the stop for our last stop. But yeah, so it was good, close to a full day. And then we obviously when I'm back home around Coletas, we lit shop, and we got back home. It was 3:30, and of course obviously we went on a walk yesterday afternoon over to the Otika Driveway and Barnyard Mount Road area. That was all good, and that's the first walk since Tuesday afternoon. Right over here again, but yeah. So that was all. And then I was on with tonight. And then today stuff. I just I was at home all morning and part of the afternoon. Just we actually forbidden, and then now just out for a nice Saturday afternoon walk. Oh yeah, so right on. And of course we got more so coming tomorrow or Sunday morning. Or so excited Sunday morning. We've got another 15-20 centimeters coming to the eastern part of Newfoundland, because this one will be a fast mover, which is better than the slow mover we had for the past couple days this week. but yeah, but of course it's been snow and period of very high receiving, a period of wind showers or freezing rain or whatever, depending on the temperatures or what part of the island you're on. If you're on the non-healthy island, it'll be all snow, and if you're on the sunny island, it'll be snow mixed in with freezing rain or rain. Oh yeah, but it should be mild though. But yeah, but what did you have so? But yeah, but of course I'm just walking past Feeder Pond now, and of course lots of snow on Feeder Pond though. Yes. Oh yeah. Yep. Definitely good sight. We've seen this winter. Oh yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah. Feeder Pond is quite large pond in Paradise. Oh wow. And this is our pond here, and you can see the house on. That's about 1 kid drive here though. We got lots of snow on the 2 ponds though, but yeah. So we're now heading toward Dog Shovel Road, and then over to serving off of Old Valley Road in the CVS. Now we put it back over there because yesterday, being not, I want to go to the Peter Boy Park for a look, but they never had a plow. Yesterday lead after, which really bothered me, but hopefully they're having plowed today. But I'll show you guys over there anyway, once I'm on the way back home. But yeah, of course, other than that, I also wanted to know that yesterday, after while we do leaves, let's start to get gas for the van, over to, over to Bush Cove, go back to the city, and while we were there, I met by a case of water. And of course, being not case of water bottom was actually more expensive over there to buy it over to some Costco Walmart. You about your head fee $53 for the case of water over there. But because it's more expensive to buy stuff at the gas station than it is to buy it elsewhere, grocery store or whatever. But yeah, but of course, the only maintenance I got for next week or so. I got 12 bottles of water altogether, but yeah, next time I might want to head to get over to show me the Costco or Walmart. Oh, what you have here for now? I got, of course, I'm going to join the rest of this vlog now, so I'll show you guys a few clips of on the way, and yeah, and then I'll talk to you after this vlog when it gets back home. Because you cook all over my mouth now, which I've always had to clean up. The last thing I had was the ice cap that was a little over an hour ago, and plus I'm pretty sure I reached my mother earlier, but when it gets over, I'll have more water, always. But the movie for another little while yet, but yeah. So you guys, there's canoe tracks around the lane that people got over here on South Selwood. And you can hear the canoes go by over here as well too. So yeah. So lots of canoes on the go yes. Yep. Oh yeah. Only salmon over here though, but I don't want if I'll see more or not, but we'll see how you by. So speaking of doing just yesterday, before the day announced that Peach was to be happening it'll be during the first week of March out in Labrador right on the remote part of Labrador. So yes, but of course so of course for anyone who's planning on doing Peach Quest this year, better sign up before it starts. If you're a canoe enthusiast or whatever, yep. But of course, being out last year, when the Peach Quest happened, it was actually mild and really out in Labrador full time back in March. And of course, you see severe, so they had to cancel Peach Quest after I think it was 3 or 4 days or so into Peach Quest. I'm pretty sure, but really good hands with the Peach Quest this year. With the weather and temperature, because the Labrador temperatures are usually colder than here in Newfoundland. Like right now, it is minus single digits, with winters in my teens. And of course, in Labrador, they get as cold as minus teens and 30s with winters around minus 40s or 50s. But yeah, but of course, yeah. But that's the typical winter weather pattern in Labrador. Yep, up north, but we should have done Peach Quest this year, but oh yeah. But hopefully it all go smoothly this year. Right, so welcome back to the Peter Bredovery Park in, and of course, yeah, as you can see, they still haven't got the parking lot cleared up yet. So of course, they had Olive yesterday to do it, and Olive today to do it. Yep, it's already now the mid-afternoon, and they are done to the parking lot here. So it's very brutal that the town municipalities hasn't even touched the Peter Bredovery parking lot in between storms. Yep. But yeah, it's just so brutal though. Yes. But yeah. Yep. But hopefully at this storm we have tomorrow by Monday, Tuesday of this week they'll cleared up. But yeah, just look, the whole two entrances to the park are actually covered. So, but yeah, man, so there's literally no access to the Peter Bredoff. So I've been complaining about this since yesterday when I passed there, but yeah, so the town police should really get their act together and tell the park lot of the Peter Bredovery Park right after snowfall is on it. Yes, it's deleted. But yeah, because man, brutal. If I say to myself, but yeah. But so I'm not the only one who's complaining about the lack of snow plowing at the Peter Bredoff. But of course, I saw a lot of you guys who live in Paradise I'll compete bad as well, but see, like example, I'll have to send a message out to the town of Paradise to get the Peter Boy Parkham town. Yeah, because it's definitely getting out of the hand. Oh my, but you don't talk about all passion now, and up here it's on the way home now. Alright guys, so we're here back over to Trailer Park Road here in touchdown area now, and yeah. As you can see, we got still got a lot of canoe tracks over here though, yes. Yep. Oh yeah, and finally it's actually snow covered here. So for this area here again, but oh yeah. So up here it's almost home now. It's just about 2:30. So yeah. So lots of snow around it though, yes. Yeah, pretty wicked. So yeah, so left home it was it was cold at 1 or 25 after. And now it is 20 at 2 or 25 at 2, so I'm gone now for a little over an hour, so that's pretty good. Yep. So definitely good few miles on this walk, yes. So yes, so I'm also so I'll talk to you once it gets back home. Alright guys, so back home now, and I'm just pretty much having a lot of y'all right now, and yeah. Yep, got everything from the past week in my hamper here, and yeah. And of course this is the jeans I worn today when I gone down a walk. But yeah. So yeah. But anyway, yeah. We did enjoy the walk a while. It's already now just at the 3 o'clock p.m. So yeah, so these go by pretty quick. Oh yeah. So overall it's been a good day, yep. So yes. So did he enjoy the walk, like I said, just then, and yeah. But we're now, I'm actually home for the rest of the afternoon now, yep. Just finished my lesson also, and yeah. Now just chilling out. Yeah. Yep, I'm chilling out the rest of the night as well, yeah. But no let's report otherwise. So yeah. So of course a little trade the Harris we playing against the the Washington Capitals. So yes, so I'll be tuning into that again. For one reason is that Alex Newhook he is back with the Habs. Yep. So hopefully he'll do good this game. And all the Habs plays well because the last game they played against the New York Rangers, they actually lost. But yeah, hopefully they win this time though. Oh yeah, they win on Saturday, that'd be good. But yes, but anyway, so but yeah. So of course yeah, nothing to report otherwise. So I'll talk to you a bit later. And now it's time for my second coffee of the day. It's already at 3:30 p.m. now, and yeah. And this is the first coffee I'm making on my own coffee makers, yes. Oh yeah. Having a fresh vanilla of pure wheat fresh vanilla with the salty espresso in there. Yup. And I also bought Central Dairy's coffee cream Monday over at the Avlamall, so yeah. So now I'm all set for I can have cream at home again. But yeah. But it's gonna be more human touch by Dory, but yeah. But what the last snow we have on the low is, oh yeah, wicked. But there's more snow to come today over tomorrow morning. Oh yeah. Oh, which is now the end of the vlog now. Of course, it is now 1 a.m. when I'm filming this, so I'll just getting myself ready for bed, and yeah. So overall, it's been a good day nonetheless, yes, and yeah. But after the last clip I did, way about 4, I just oh, I'm just relaxing the rest of the day, watching YouTube, and also playing some phones, Horizon 5 for a little bit, and listen to some video today also, I listened to 3 stations today at a different times. I listened to 590 and the K-Rock and New Cutting 103.9 just then, yes. But yeah, nice good tune I'll go on today on obviously nice, so big time shit at the camp party, but oh yes, but on that that's pretty much all. Just for listening to the camp party, I watched the Hibs lose against the Washington Capitals, but man, yeah, but of course it also lost against the New York Rangers as well on Thursday. So yeah. So anyway, so I'll end up with this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I will be back with another vlog 12 or whatever. And of course 12 I will be heading back to mom sometime 12 afternoon once the snow stops these, but yeah. But maybe that's all. So I'll talk to you 12 over and out.